Ladies and gentlemen, how's it going today? It's Joe here from Your Place LLC, Osceola, Wisconsin. Gonna bring you another awesome review of a vape, the IJoy 10,000. Got a bunch of these kinds in, pretty new, pretty awesome. Haven't tried this kind yet, but the device itself I've been digging on pretty good. This one, Dragon Fruit Berry, I believe it is. Tropical Storm Edition. Yes. So here it is, friends. Check it out. Let's get it open here. Oh yeah, look at that. Nice. Oh wow. Very nice. I like it. Smells good. Here's the device itself. Check it out. Rechargeable on the bottom. It's got the flow adjuster, that S and D mode. And that the S is a powerful hit, and then the D is like a smooth and flavorful hit. So that's kind of how they say that. Right up here, you got the digital part, so it'll tell you the juice life, the battery life is pretty awesome. I like the design on this one, friends. Check that out. It's kind of cool. It's kind of cool. You laughing at me over there?
I had to check out all your look.
Right here. Check it.
Yeah, I like it.
Yeah, that's cool. Alright. Let's get rocking. Oh wow. That is delicious. Oh. Damn. That tastes like a lot of the other dragon fruit berry. What is dragon fruit berry supposed to taste like, babe?
I don't know. There's a dragon fruit. I just don't know what it tastes like. And then berry, probably a bunch of berries.
Yeah, it's a bunch of berries together. It's like an orgasm of berries in my mouth. Like this one, friends, is freaking delicious if you like berries. And like just crazy smooth, like, I could sit here and puff on this one all day, dude. Nice.
Like
so, yeah, I do like this one a lot. So we're on the smooth, flavorful hit. Maybe that's why. We'll switch it to the S, and that's a powerful hit, right?
Yeah, it's supposed to be. It's
Supposed to be.
So I don't know what that means.
It's a harder draw. It's a harder pull.
Oh, okay. Maybe a harder pull.
And yeah, maybe I am getting a little less flavor. So let me switch it back. Yeah, there's definitely more flavor on the D. So that holds up, friends. S for a powerful hit, and then the D for the smooth and the maybe more flavor. But this one's fantastic, friends. The IJoy 10,000 Dragon Fruit Berry. Very good. Tastes just like how it sounds. Dragon Fruit Berry, a lot of berry. Yeah, delicious. Like totally like this one. Yeah, and I mean, so far too with these IJoy 10,000s and the IJoy 10,000 Captain, very hardy machine. Like I've dropped them, I've thrown them to the ground, and they work really well. And so far, like every one I've tried, I've ran it down to absolutely zero on the juice life, and it's held the taste all the way to zero. So that is fantastic. Really liking the new IJoy machine. So. Yeah, come on down and pick one up. They're awesome. Like I said, it's either this guy right here or the Captain. Don't have one of those Captains on me to show you, but the IJoy, the new one, the 10,000, very great machine. Both machines. So yeah, you can find this kind and many others at Your Place LLC, Osceola, Wisconsin, and you can find them at Milltown, Your Place number 2. So get on down to both of those places and check them out. Also, please hit the subscribe button on the bottom. When we do all of our Delta videos and all that stuff, you have to be subscribed to see it. So please do subscribe. I don't want you to miss out on anything. And you know, we can get more subscribers, the more, you know, Delta products we can review and all that stuff. So anyways, please do subscribe, and thank you for all the subscribers already. Appreciate each and every one of you. And yeah, we'll catch you next time, guys. All right, later.